This is Hal again at OnMax Host Digital, and we are a full digital marketing agency. We provide a holistic approach to your marketing. And I would like to touch on marketing strategy, not just digital marketing, but marketing strategy. I have said before that without strategy, you really are not in business. You need a strategy. You need goals. But today, I would like to mention a few things, about three mistakes that many businesses make. And these mistakes, I found them both with small businesses and also large businesses. As I interact with businesses, the first main mistake that many people make is they want to plan everything ahead of time. They want to get every detail right. And for small businesses and even startups, they don't feel that many of the things that we talk about in digital marketing apply to them. So they probably want to go with the non-digital aspect of marketing, and then the digital side of marketing, they're not paying too much attention to it. They want to grow big and get too much information before they can launch. The second mistake is they do not see the off-web, off-online marketing and the online marketing as one. Okay, so now they're running these things almost in parallel, and the problem there is they're running their businesses in silos. But you have to remember that your customers and your audience doesn't look at you in silos. So if you run your business in silos, okay, this is my approach in offline marketing, and this is my strategy for the online marketing, well, your audience will be looking at you and they will be confused. There's no cohesion in your message, okay? And they will get confused, and if they have to make a decision between two businesses, all things being equal, they will go with the company, your competitor, who gives them the same message. The brand is the same, is presented in the same fashion, both offline and online. Okay. The third mistake is many businesses underestimated the power of digital transformation, the digital revolution on their overall business. Okay, when you embrace digital transformation, when you embrace the digital revolution, when you embrace digital marketing, it is going to have a great impact on your overall business. And many businesses underestimate that impact, and so they're not prepared for that. Okay, so number one, too much planning, very little practice, very little implementation. But if you look at it, the digital world is changing very, very fast, okay? If you wait for a month before you can make a decision, you could be too late. And I said before that what you need is a long-term plan, a long-term vision and a short-term plan, a 1 month plan, a 1 week plan. In digital marketing, that's the way we have to operate. So do not wait, okay, until you have 1 year worth of data. Even if you are a startup, you can launch right now, okay? And you don't need to have all the data from your keywords before you can make a decision. We can help you get started, okay? You don't have to wait until you're totally sure of everything, every detail, okay? This is very important. Just get started, because the digital world is not waiting for you. Let's go quick to the market, okay? I want you to, from the day go when you open your business, to go to the market, to start selling both online and offline, and you don't have to wait until you have all the details together, okay? And then be holistic. That's point number 2. We provide a holistic approach. That's one of the benefits of working with companies like OnMax Host Digital, a full digital agency, so one-stop stop for all your digital solutions. but we also bring a background and a knowledge and an experience of the offline marketing. We also bring the knowledge and experience of corporate leadership, corporate management, business management, finance, corporate finance, planning, strategy, budgeting. We bring all that experience so that we can give you a full holistic approach. Winning brands are merging both the offline and the online strategies, and they merge them and they have one budget. They don't have two budgets that are competing against each other. So don't look at your business, okay, this is the digital side of my business marketing, this is the online side of my business. That structure will sink your business completely. So you need to adopt what we call a holistic view, okay? Is your message consistent online and offline? Is your message consistent when your team answers the phone? Is your message consistent when you're having conversations on social media? Is your message consistent when you advertise on television? Is your message consistent when you go to a trade show and present your business? When you go to conferences, when you go to seminars, when you're giving a webinar, when you're giving a proposal or a presentation, when you're discussing with your client, are you contradicting what you're saying in front of the client compared to what you're saying online? Everything has to be consistent. That is what is needed. If you're not consistent, you will cause confusion with your customers or your audience. Now, another thing is, the third mistake is people underestimate, by bringing the digital into your business, by introducing the digital revolution and transformation in your business, the impact is going to have on every aspect of your business. So do not be resistant. It's going to change the way you think. It's going to change the way you look at everything else. It's not just you have to, your organization needs to become very efficient, okay? So you have to always move with the needs of your audience in mind. You know, you have to answer the question why I'm doing this, and you have to get the best talent, you have to get the best team on board in order to be able to deliver the digital transformation in your business. Stay tuned for more.